This side table made of mahogany wood is 19,000 pesos. This one 13,000 pesos. Made of mahogany. And as we go along, this one, sir,
kina siya
16,000 pesos. Mga antique. Pila ni siya, sir?
Kina siya 8,000.
This is 8,000. And this one where they had
7,000.
7,000 where they break the rice.
With this.
Yes, that's the old-fashioned way of taking the rice from the husk. This is the lechon dish. Look, it's very heavy. Pila ni, sir?
8,000 na siya.
8,000 pesos. It's made of ebony wood, and the table underneath, pila?
The same price.
The same design, pila gani siya?
Kina siya the size
16. This table, sir?
18.
18, and at bottom?
16.
So this is 18,000, this is 16,000. Ngano na yung mahal man ni?
Asa?
Oh,
Puti na siya.
mahogany gyapon ni.
Puti ang yan.
Ang cabinet,
Kana siya 22.
22,000. So this is 44,000 pesos, but it's made of mahogany.
This one is
Set na siya. Pila nga set?
Kana siya 19.
This is 19,000 pesos with a little footrest and the chair. And this kanina duha mo 19. Only these two is 19. Kani nga set, sir?
This one is 26.
26 each? Lahi mo ni design.
Yes, kina siya 26 mo na siya. Lain lang design.
So it's 26,000 this sofa, 3-seater sofa.
And then the center table is 22.
The center table is 22,000. It's bigger than the other one, although it's the same design. Kani nga chair?
Kana siya 8,000 na.
This is 8,000 pesos and it's a very heavy chair. Ano na to, sir? Kita. Kani?
Kini kay tugas na 22 ni.
This is 22,000. It's made of tugas, which is one of the hardwood here in the Philippines. Ano sa in English sa tugas?
Mulabi.
Oh, it's mulabe is tugas. So one of the hardwood here we have in the Philippines. That's next to Nara. And kani?
Kana siya 13.
This chair with their unique design is made of mahogany, 13,000. That's the Judge Gabel is 2.5. Kani?
Kana siya 16.
16. Kaning 2-seater kani.
Kana siya 20.
Set ni?
Dili, lain.
This is 20,000 ang usang 1-seater.
This one is 17.
So 20,000 for the 2-seater, 17 for the one. Kani?
Kana siya 15.
So the table is 15. Kaning bench nimo?
Kana 8,000.
8,000 for this bench here. Kani?
This one is 20.
This is 20,000. This table, very nice. 18,000 for this table. Kani?
Coffee table.
Pila?
Coffee table.
Set.
Set.
Pila ka chair?
Kini duha. 21 ni siya. Set.
2 chairs, but lahi lagi ning this.
Kung pili na mo, kaya may partner.
Ah, so you can have two
You
of
can
this
choose.
or two of this. So for the with the table is 22. Kani nga set sa lasit, sir?
Oh, kini siya. 110 is siya. Kining with
Yeah.
table.
With table na.
Oh.
So you look at this set here. That's like with wheels, 3-seater, 2-seater, and a single seater with the table is 20. 110.
Oh.
Okay. Dirita chair. Kani nga set man gyud ni.
Oh, very finished.
Kani
18
two
is siya.
two single, usa ka 3-seater and one
Center
table. So
80.
80,000 pesos. Unsa na siyang nasa back?
Pala siya kanang wall decor.
Ah, this is just wall decor. Kaning bar tools.
Oh, kanang siya.
Kani?
This is 10,000.
This one, 8,000. Hindi, decorations.
Tag 9,000 ang pedestal.
9,000 for the pedestal. This design kani.
Ato na siya.
This is 8,000. This round table,
Oh, kini na 70.
70
6 seaters.
with 6. Unsa yung seat?
Kini yan set.
So that's 70,000 with 6 chairs like this. Oh. 70,000. 6 kabok, 6 pieces of this. Kani sad sir oh? Kana.
Kana 90 na siya. Tugas, gulabi.
Oh, this is 90,000 because it's made of mulabe. This kani chair,
Kana siya 9,000 po din.
9,000 made of mulabe.
Gulabi
Yapon.
gyud.
Kani?
Gulabi gyud po siya 13.
13,000 is still made of mulabe. This one,
16.
16,000. Kani?
20.
20 for this bench made of hardwood. Mahogany? Mulabe.
Tugas.
Still mulabe, this one. 20,000. Ang table, sir,
Muna 70 yan po na siya.
70 with 6 seats, seater. So you got a choice of round table or square table. Cabinet pila.
Oh, 46.
46,000 for the cabinet, but it's very nice. It looks really classy. Pareharan duha?
Oh.
So both cabinets are 70,000. Abriha ko na sir.
Na siya drawer.
Got drawers and dresser.
Sa pikas kay na siya sa hanger.
Oh, very nice. Pila to?
46.
46,000 for the two.
Pareharan na siya.
Design. For kung ano siya sir, no? 4 drawers on the
For
bottom.
drawers daw ang lalab niya. Kada
Yeah.
yung drawers.
So this design got 2 drawers, but this squarish design is 4 drawers for 46,000 pesos. Na kay bed sir no? Pila ang bed? Single.
Ang among single is 25.
25,000 made of mulabe. Mahogany.
Oh, gani.
Nana siya headrest.
Oh,
This single bed,
headboard.
a headboard. Headboard.
Kana siya kuan 54 kana siya double.
This is the double bed. It's 54,000, but it's
32.
made of
Mao gani.
mahogany. Pila 32,000. 32,000. Ganito siya.
Kana siya yung table na kay
Nasa chair long table.
seaters dili.
Long
8
table.
seaters ni siya.
This is the 8-seater table.
Nagito 12 seaters ito. Solid.
Pila ang kuan? 8.
Kini siya 88.
88,000 with the chair. Kani ang choices of chair?
Oh.
So this is the chair that goes along the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mahal-mahal.
Mas mahal na siya.
Tag 14 mo.
Okay. Separate lang siya. Or kanira ipakapin sa
Sa pala siya sample design mo siya nga kuan.
pero himuon din siya inikuan. So that's the sample of the chairs that you can make. Kaning corner set ba pila ni?
Oh, kana siya 19,000.
That's 19,000 the one in the back. And the cabinet,
Dresser,
ang dresser pila
kana siya 38.
38,000
With chair na siya.
and that's including the chair.
Pumunta na siya nga design, nagka-torsi ni siya.
Oh. If you look at these chairs, this is 14,000 each.
Kana ko paling cardboard aron ba?
Oo. Aron klaro sir ba?
Oh, namin.
Kani.
Oh, kana siya 36.
This side table with solid mahogany,
Yeah.
36,000. Kani unsa day ni siya chair?
Wall decor.
This the wall decors. Pila ni?
Kana siya tag 15.
This wall decors alone is 15,000 each.
Ate ni siya kuan 7,000.
Side table 7,000. Kani nga chair sir? Kani table.
Oh, kini siya 105.
Wala na siya chairs.
Mao gyapon to siya ang kuan, katong gyapon na to.
105. Hala tan-awa murag makina.
Nakagas inyo.
Lagi. Pila ni?
Kana siya 16.
This 16,000 but made of mulabe. Another hardwood. Kaning chair sir?
Oh, this one 24.
Kaning usa?
Kana siya pareha ni mo kana siya incline.
24. Unsa mahogani gyapon ni siya sir?
Oh.
Kani ganahan kay kuan. Kani ba? Kani nga bench pila ni?
Oh, kana siya 24 yun.
That's 24,000. And last kani sir,
Oh, kana siya 14.
that's 14,000 pesos made of mahogany. So kani siya mahogany gyapon ni sir?
Tugas ni.
That's made of mulabe.
Kana siya nanay day tagiya.
Okay. Palit nindot magud. Kaning bench no. Cute kayo. Ato sang ana sir ha. Kani imong mga gagmay nga mga decoration ba kani box?
Kana siya 35.
Those boxes are 3,500.
Oh, niya natay jewelry box kini tag 6,000 ito.
This is inlaid with jewelry box inlaid with shell that made into antique. This is 3,500 for this miniature rocking chair. So the jewelry pila ni jewelry box?
6,000.
6,000. Kani nga table?
Kana siya 20. Kana siya 23.
This is 23 underneath. So dresser with chair
36.
36. Kani nga chair sir, wala pa ta nang utanaan eh.
Oh, kana siya is 20.
This is mulabi no.
Paan mo gani?
Mahogany. This chair bench is 20,000. Kaning mga angels.
Oh, tag to 5 yung mga angel.
So this cherubs, antique look cherubs. Fiberglass mo din sir. Tag 2,500. With a table,
Oh, this one is 20.
that's 20,000 where they are displayed. Kani yung table lang. Ninduta gid ani sir. Pila gani?
18.
That's 18,000 pesos. So kana siya duha ra dai ni siya.
Kasa.
Duha.
Pero paresa ni mo ni kuan ang yang parachute dinigit siya.
Yang stool.
Dili siya. Pamasahe sila sama niya magpamanicure.
Ko ano guni siya no kanang Spanish design.
Oh, mo ni butaka.
Ngan butaka. So this is the butaka Spanish design. made of rattan and then solid wood. So that's the set. Kung kana nga set, pila na sir?
Wala siya ay 15.
That's 15,000 for the set of the little stool and this chair, utaka. Huy mo sa demog door, sir?
Oo. Kana tag-12 na nga doon.
Unsay ko na nimo labi?
Magaling ako.
This
Magaling sa Tagalog.
this door, unsay size ani sir?
Kana siya mga 1 meter.
This door is made of mahogany. Pila gito sir?
12.
12,000 pesos. So their factory is in Karkar, Cebu. We can order here. You can order here, and they make to order. Make order sa mo, sir. So you can also design your own.
Amo ni number sa karga kanang photo.
So this is the anaon to be against the light.
Ako dire mo ni siya 9.
Cariaga Furniture Center in Talisay, 1